Ever wished your kitchen could cook smarter, faster, and more effortlessly? Today, we're diving into the 25 ultimate kitchen gadgets for smart cooking on Amazon, packed with futuristic designs, clever upgrades, and innovative tools that make every meal easier and more enjoyable. From hidden gems that save time to must-have gadgets that elevate your cooking game, this list is perfect for every home chef. Stick around, you won't want to miss a single gadget. Number 1. Oradam Bamboo Drawer Organizer. Transform your kitchen drawers with the Oradam Bamboo Drawer Organizer. Eco-friendly, durable, and stylish, it keeps utensils, cutlery, and gadgets neatly separated for effortless access. Perfect for home cooks who value organization and efficiency, it instantly reduces clutter while adding a natural touch to your kitchen. Adjustable sections fit any drawer size. Don't wait! Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen with this smart, space-saving solution today. Number 2. Best ZAM WK. Kitchen Utensil Set. Elevate your cooking with the best ZAM WK kitchen utensil set. Complete, sturdy, and ergonomically designed. It covers all essential tools for stirring, flipping, and serving with ease. Perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs. It simplifies meal prep while improving efficiency. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe materials ensure durability. Click the link in the description now and transform your kitchen into a functional, smart, and stylish culinary space instantly. Number 3. Lyombe Wood Appliance Sliders. Move heavy appliances effortlessly with Lyombe Wood Appliance Sliders. Smooth, durable, and compact, they protect floors while allowing fridges, washers, or ovens to glide with minimal effort. Perfect for home chefs, movers, or DIY enthusiasts, they reduce strain and prevent scratches. Easy to place under any appliance. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and make kitchen maintenance and appliance adjustments safer and smarter instantly. Number 4. Kitchen in the Box Food Processor. Prepare meals faster with the Kitchen in the Box Food Processor. Powerful, versatile, and easy to use, it chops, slices, and dices ingredients effortlessly. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or amateur chefs. It reduces cooking time while improving precision. Compact design fits any countertop. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen efficiency with this all-in-one, time-saving food processor today. Number 5. Uncanny Brands Salt and Pepper Grinder. Season perfectly with the Uncanny Brands Salt and Pepper Grinder. Sleek, ergonomic, and adjustable, it delivers fresh, consistent seasoning for every dish. Perfect for home cooks, chefs, or grill masters, it enhances flavor and simplifies meal prep. Durable ceramic mechanism ensures long-lasting performance. Don't wait! Click the link in the description now and elevate your cooking with fresh, flavorful results every time. Number 6. SumZ's Titanium. Cutting board chop, slice, and prep with the SumZ's Titanium Cutting Board. Strong, scratch-resistant, and hygienic. It keeps knives sharp while handling heavy-duty kitchen tasks. Perfect for home cooks and professional chefs alike. It offers stability and durability for daily use. Lightweight yet sturdy design fits any counter. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen workspace with this modern, long-lasting cutting board today. Number 7. ThermoPro Meat Thermometer. Cook meats perfectly with the ThermoPro Meat Thermometer. Accurate, fast, and easy to read. It ensures every roast, steak, or poultry is cooked to perfection. Perfect for home chefs and grilling enthusiasts, it eliminates guesswork and prevents overcooking. Compact design fits any kitchen drawer. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and achieve professional cooking results safely and efficiently every time. Number 8. RAVS Butane Torch. Ignite creativity with the RAVS Butane Torch. Compact, powerful, and precise. It caramelizes, sears, and browns dishes effortlessly. Perfect for home chefs, bakers, or dessert lovers, it adds flair and professional quality to meals. Ergonomic design ensures safe handling. Click the link in the description now and take your cooking skills to the next level with this must-have kitchen gadget today. Number 9. Best ZAM WK Kukra. Silicone Utensil Set. Cook safely with the best ZAM WK Kukra. Silicone Utensil Set. Heat-resistant, durable, and flexible, it prevents scratches on non-stick cookware while offering maximum comfort. Perfect for daily cooking, baking, or gourmet meal prep, it makes stirring, scooping, and serving effortless. Dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleanup. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and equip your kitchen with this smart, reliable, and colorful utensil set today. Number 10. UTT Colander with Mixing Bowl Set. Simplify meal prep with the UTT Colander with Mixing Bowl Set. Durable, lightweight, and versatile. It handles rinsing, draining, and mixing in one convenient set. Perfect for pasta lovers, salad enthusiasts, or busy cooks. It saves time and space in your kitchen. Stackable design ensures easy storage. Click the link in the description now and make food prep faster, cleaner, and more efficient instantly. Number 11. Stockpot Colander Bamboo Handle. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Stockpot Colander Bamboo Handle. Durable, lightweight, and stylish, it drains pasta, vegetables, and grains effortlessly. Perfect for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts, the bamboo handle ensures a comfortable, heat-resistant grip while adding a natural touch. Easy to clean and store. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and enhance your kitchen efficiency with this practical and elegant colander today. Number 12. Kukre Silicone Kitchen Utensils. Cook smarter with Kukre Silicone Kitchen Utensils. Heat-resistant, flexible, and durable, these tools prevent scratches on non-stick cookware while making stirring, flipping, and serving a breeze. Perfect for daily cooking or gourmet meals. They combine functionality with style. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your cooking experience with this versatile, reliable, and colorful utensil set instantly. Number 13. MegaWise Vacuum Sealer. Keep food fresh longer with the MegaWise Vacuum Sealer. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, it seals meats, veggies, and leftovers airtight, preserving flavor and extending shelf life. Perfect for meal preppers, families, or anyone looking to reduce waste, it saves money and time. Quick and durable design fits any kitchen. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and enjoy fresh, perfectly stored food every day. Number 14. Moforoko Overdoor Pantry Rack. Maximize kitchen storage with the Moforoko Overdoor Pantry Rack. Sturdy, adjustable, and space-saving, it organizes spices, cans, and snacks effortlessly. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or home chefs, it keeps essentials within reach while freeing counter space. Easy to install without tools. Click the link in the description now and transform your kitchen storage with this practical, space-saving rack instantly. Number 15. Jolinsoy Tumbler Lid Organizer and Hook. Keep lids and tumblers organized with the Jolinsoy Tumbler Lid Organizer and Hook. Durable, space-saving, and versatile, it prevents clutter and keeps your kitchen tidy. Perfect for busy cooks, coffee lovers, and households of all sizes, it streamlines daily tasks. Easy to mount anywhere. Don't wait! Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen organization with this smart, convenient solution today. Number 16. Homebros Adhesive Utensil Hanger. Maximize wall space with the Homebros Adhesive Utensil Hanger. Strong, easy to install, and versatile, it holds spoons, spatulas, and gadgets securely while freeing drawer space. Perfect for small kitchens or organized chefs, it keeps tools within reach and adds style to your workspace. No drilling required? Click the link in the description now and enjoy a clutter-free, functional kitchen instantly. Number 17. Razab Glass Food Storage Set. Store meals smartly with the Razab Glass Food Storage Set. Durable, leak-proof, and versatile, it keeps leftovers, snacks, and ingredients fresh while staying eco-friendly. Perfect for meal preppers, families, or anyone aiming to reduce plastic waste. It combines style and functionality. Microwave and dishwasher safe, designed for convenience. Don't wait! Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen storage with this practical, smart solution today. Number 18. Rubbermaid Brilliance. Keep food fresh and organized with Rubbermaid Brilliance. Crystal clear, airtight, and durable, it prevents leaks while storing meals, ingredients, or snacks neatly. Perfect for busy households, meal preppers, or on-the-go lunches, it saves space in your fridge or pantry. Stackable and easy to clean. Click the link in the description now and elevate your food storage game with this reliable, smart kitchen essential instantly. Number 19. Nua's Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Season. Like a pro with the Nua's Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder, sleek, powerful, and easy to use, it delivers freshly ground spices at the touch of a button. Perfect for home chefs, bakers, or grilling enthusiasts, it enhances flavor while simplifying cooking. Adjustable grind settings for precision. Don't wait! Click the link in the description now and bring restaurant-quality seasoning into your kitchen effortlessly. Number 20. Kuwolf Ulu Mezzaluna. Knife chop efficiently with the Kuwolf Ulu Mezzaluna knife. Ergonomic, sharp, and balanced, it minces herbs, vegetables, and garlic quickly and safely. Perfect for home cooks and professional chefs, it reduces prep time while offering precise control. Durable stainless steel ensures long-lasting performance. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen tools with this must-have chopping solution today. Number 21. Food Cycler Eco Kitchen Composter. Go green with the Food Cycler Eco Kitchen Composter. Compact, odor-free, and efficient, transforms food scraps into nutrient-rich compost in hours. Perfect for eco-conscious families or urban gardeners, it reduces waste and supports sustainable living. Easy to use and clean. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and make your kitchen eco-friendly while helping the planet today. Number 22. Rapika BBQ Gloves. Heat-resistant grill safely with Rapika BBQ gloves. Heat-resistant, durable, and flexible, they protect hands while handling hot pans, grills, or ovens. Perfect for BBQ lovers, bakers, and home chefs. They improve safety and confidence during cooking. Non-slip design ensures a secure grip. Click the link in the description now and keep your hands safe while cooking with these essential kitchen gloves. Number 23. Cuisinart Cast Iron Smash Burger Press. Create perfect burgers with the Cuisinart Cast Iron Smash Burger Press. Heavy-duty, non-stick, and easy to use, it delivers restaurant-quality patties every time. Perfect for grill masters and home chefs. It ensures even cooking and consistent thickness. Durable design lasts for years. Don't wait! Click the link in the description now and upgrade your burger game with this must-have kitchen gadget today. Number 24. Muller Pro Vegetable Chopper. Dice, slice, and chop effortlessly with the Muller Pro Vegetable Chopper. Multifunctional, durable, and easy to clean, it speeds up meal prep while keeping uniform results. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or home chefs, it saves time and energy in the kitchen. Compact, space-saving design fits any counter. Click the link in the description now and make vegetable prep smarter, faster, and more precise instantly. Number 25. Feppo Rechargeable Mini Bag. Seal bags and keep food fresh with the Feppo Rechargeable Mini Bag Sealer. Portable, easy to use, and effective, it prevents spoilage and keeps snacks, grains, or leftovers airtight. Perfect for home cooks, travelers, and snack lovers, it adds convenience to your kitchen routine. Lightweight design fits drawers or bags. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your food storage with this smart portable sealer today. That's a wrap on the 25 ultimate kitchen gadgets for smart cooking. Don't miss out. Click the links in the description to grab your favorites now. Upgrade your kitchen today.